Why, hello there. You caught me off guard. Oh no. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Evelina, and in today's video we're going to be doing a couple fun little things. So maybe you saw my last video, maybe you didn't, maybe you're coming from that video. You know that today we're going to be making the world's best chili. I think I make the best chili. It's a little bit different than your normal, run-of-the-mill chili. It's a little bit more healthy. I like to eat it with cheese on top and tortilla chips. I should say, even though it's healthy, or healthier than your normal chili, it still has all the delicious spices, all the delicious flavors, and do you hear these cars? They're beeping. This is what happens when you live in downtown Chicago. But anyway, it still has all the spices, all the flavors of your favorite chili, just without all the extra meat and fat from that meat. So enough of this, let's just get right into the kitchen. And then stay tuned after the cooking video because I have like a fun little vlog. I went to H&M. I like to always throw extra stuff into my videos just because I get bored of seeing one little thing. I like to do it all. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to the kitchen. We're going to be making chili in here. I'm going to show you all the ingredients we're going to use. If you watched my last video, I'm going to be one of those old ladies one day that just comes in, she knows what she's doing, she just throws everything in a bowl, doesn't need a measure, and it's delicious. 2 peppers, organic beef stock, 1 onion. This is a yellow Spanish onion. We're going to use 5 tomatoes. Need some garlic. I use like 3 cloves. Then I do love to add some veggie pasta to it. I get this one from Trader Joe's, and this makes the chili look super fun. It's a little colorful. I just use regular chili mix, and I like it a little spicy. Then of course we need our beans. I like to switch it up. Sometimes I use like regular chili beans. Other times I like to use black beans and it tastes just as good. So we're gonna use black beans today. Then we're also gonna use like half a can of corn. Add some extra flavor and it's delicious. We're also gonna need a good sized pot to fit all these ingredients in. So make sure you have that before you start as well. I'm gonna be cutting here. As you're gonna see, we're in the battlefield. Let's get into it. First, let's chop this onion. Okay, so I'm gonna heat up the pot and add some olive oil, start, sauteing those onions. First of all, this is the best invention on earth. Do you see this? You put your garlic in here and you squish it and it squeezes out and you don't have to cut the garlic, and I love it. Best thing, hands down. I hate cutting garlic with a knife. So while that's cooking in there, I'm going to start chopping up the peppers. We'll wash them in chopping and throw that in as well. Throw the beans in the pot. Throw half of this can of corn in. I'm going to get to cutting the tomatoes. Come with me. Let's add the broth. Sometimes I won't add the whole thing. Other times I will. Just depends on what stuff I have in here. Depends how watery it looks. Right now it looks pretty good. I still have about this much, I would say, left in here. So I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. And if later we need to add more, I will, depending on how the pasta does. But I'm just gonna leave it at this for now. Not sure if this is a great angle. And then we're gonna let this simmer for 20 minutes and see how it is, add spices, then let it do it again for another 15-20 minutes with pasta. We're gonna add it in. If you try this chili at home, let me know.
Hey guys, so I'm about to go to H&M. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping, maybe more so browsing. I don't know. If I find something I like, I'm gonna, get it. But hopefully I have something, I don't know. I'll show you my outfit I'm wearing. So this is the look. Ooh, anyway, I got this t-shirt dress at H&M last year. Coinkydink, we're going there now. I got this belt, maybe at Forever 21 a long time ago. I really don't remember. Then I'm wearing my Dolce Vita sandals. They're kind of bulky, kind of edgy, and I love them. Okay, let's go. I don't know where to go. Would you lead my way? 'Cause navigation is never a thing I'm good for. Lose my mind.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Got a new microphone. Do you got anything to say, Zushi? Nope. Hey guys, I got a new microphone. It's been a few days since we went to H&M. There's cat fur all over it already. Anyway, it's been a few days since we went to H&M, and I did end up getting those linen cotton pants. So I thought it would be fun to show you how I'd style them this summer. Just a couple ways, and maybe that can inspire you or help you figure out how you would wear something like this. So let's do that. Why, hello there. You caught me off guard. Oh no. Anyway, this is the first way I would style these pants. I just got some white Puma sneakers on, a white shirt from Target. It's a little bit cropped. Pull these up a little. My accessories, some nice rings, black, gold. My antique bracelet I got in another video. I got my Hot Rocks necklace. And what's cool about Hot Rocks is they make their beads out of volcanic rock. So it has a really cool texture to them, and you can put like scents on them, and then you can use that as your perfume. Did I mention the bag yet? I'm wearing my little tote that I got in Canada, in Montreal, from a little cafe called Juliette Chocolat. Very tasty there. And this is the look. I feel like I'm still matching because I have my white sneakers on with the white shirt, and I have these cream pants, and overall the outfit's warm because I have the, warm golds. I have the tote that's like a cream color. Very neutral, very simple, cute, summery, easy. Can go get coffee, can go for my hot girl walk in this. Can do it all. Can take over the world. Anyway, next outfit. The kitty is on the run. For my next look, it's more of a beachy vibe, as you can tell. I have a bikini top on, and I tied the pants a little bit differently than you would. I actually took the, do you see this? What I have to deal with? I took the straps and I pulled them around my waist, and I tied it in the back into a tiny little knot. But you can't even see it if you're wearing, a loose shirt over like this and have it open. It just creates this cute little illusion. Makes me look a little bit, you know, more snatched. It's a vibe. Video is not sponsored by H&M, but I literally got this satin shirt that's a button-up at H&M last year, and then I got this bikini top at H&M like, I want to say like 6-7 years ago. I guess I just love H&M for summer. Jewelry, I wanted to wear stuff that, you know, I don't care if I get into the water with it, if it gets ruined. So I have these like cheap little beads with little flowers on them, and they're still cute, still accessorizing, making the outfit come together. And then for shoes, I got my Dolce Vita sandals on. I got them at Macy's on clearance for like $20. So these were a steal. Do you see this? I'm just kidding. And for the final look, I would probably just wear, you know, a little crew neck hoodie with them. Call it a day. Repping my university. Good school. Yeah, I hope you guys, you know, felt inspired or enjoyed this in any way. If you have a favorite outfit of the 3 looks, please comment below, let me know. Besides that, I think I'm gonna end the video. He's a maniac. Besides that, guys, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell button to, you know, get notified when I upload a new video, and stay tuned for more. Zushi, say bye to our friends. Bye, guys. Thank you.